Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video will be a middle split tutorial, so keep watching. First, go down into a plie, pushing back your legs. Push harder on one side and then to the other side. Now slide your legs into a straddle wide enough to feel stretch. Rotate your hip to the side to reach over top of one of your legs. Repeat the last stretch on the other side. Now reach an arm over to grab the leg on the opposite side. Repeat this stretch on the other side. Now reach to the center. Next, bring your legs into a butterfly sit and push them towards the ground. Now reach in front of you with your legs remaining in the butterfly seat. You can push your legs down for a deeper stretch. So now bend your legs into a half middle split. Go to a wall for the next stretch. Sit facing a wall and try to push your hips as close to the wall as you can. And hold it there for at least 10 or more seconds. For the next stretches, I don't know the name, but keep watching. For this stretch, you feel a pain in between your legs. For this stretch, you feel a pain at the back of your leg. Repeat these stretches on the other leg. For the next video, I'll be showing you how to slide into your middle split. But first, slide slowly, gently. I actually got my first middle split today, but remember, no pain, no gain. But if you feel a sharp pain, then you need to stop, because a sharp pain can lead to serious injury. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Bye.